Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact TikTok Shop customer service. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok Shop account, which of course I have done right here. So next thing I'd like you to know is that TikTok Shop is a pretty much fantastic space to grow your business. And now with TikTok Shop, you can tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into purchase. So now that we know a bit of what TikTok Shop is about, let's quickly hop into today's steps, which is how to contact TikTok Shop customer service. From this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this help. To select help, you have the Academy and Help Center. So go ahead and click on Help Center. And now they've clicked on Help Center, you can click on how we can help you, let them know how they can help you, or you can choose from this popular topic, or you can choose from facts. And let's say you have checked all of this and you still are not satisfied, you just want to complain to them and you just want to contact them directly, then you have this need more support option. So you can check this ticket log or online support. So go ahead and click on online support and you'll be able to get in touch with the chatbot or chat with an online agent that will reach out to you specifically or directly. So here you have the send message without bias personal info. So go ahead and let them know what you want them to do. So it says, greetings, I'm your virtual assistant. Please proceed to describe your inquiry accurately, emphasis on accurately. Then a live agent will be connected if it's beyond the virtual assistant's capacity to provide a satisfactory answer. So go ahead and explain what you want, ensure it's in details, ensure it's accurate, and go ahead and click on send. Ensure that you do not apply the buyer's personal information because it is very sensitive. All right, so that's pretty much the process. You can now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your research.